This flowchart design is a complete copper ore processing plant, including a crushing system, grinding and classification system, flotation system, concentrate filtering and dewatering system, and tailing filtering and dewatering system. This flowchart design utilizes the flotation method to extract the copper concentrate. A flotation plant is suitable for recovering both oxide and sulfide copper, has the best recovery ratio, and can get the best concentrate grade. We can design or adjust the flowchart based on the customer's mine situation and requirements. The plant capacity is customized according to the customer's requirement, such as 50 tons per day, 120 tons per day, 240 tons per day, etc. The customer requires 240 tons per day capacity for a start. Below is a detailed explanation for each part of the flowchart design. 1. Crushing system. The crushing system contains a two-stage jaw crusher, one vibrating screen, and belt conveyors. The function of the crushing system is to make a maximum of 300 mm big stone to 25 mm small size. The raw materials are unloaded to the hopper by an excavator or loader, then through a chute feeder machine evenly fed to the primary jaw crusher for crushing, 300 mm lumps down to 40 mm. The output 0 to 40 mm is sent to secondary fine jaw crusher for further crushing to 25 mm by belt conveyor. The output 0 to 25 mm is sent to vibrating screen for sieving out 0 to 25 mm fine ore and above 25 mm big ore. Above 25 mm big ore will be back, which has a high crushing rate and is suitable for all hard rocks. 1. Grinding and classification system. The grinding and classification system consists of a ball mill and spiral classifier. The function of the grinding and classification system is to make 25 mm fine ore to 200 mesh. The fine ore 0 to 25 mm is smoothly sent to the ball mill by electromagnetic feeder plus belt conveyor. The output of the ball mill goes to the spiral classifier for the classification of 200 mesh and coarse particles. The underflow of the spiral classifier is coarse particles which will be back to the ball mill for regrinding. The overflow of the spiral classifier is 200 mesh which will be pumped to the mixing tank. This is a closed grinding circuit. It can get as much as 200 mesh output for the flotation process. 1. Flotation system. The flotation system consists of a mixing tank and a flotation machine. The function of the flotation system is to extract high-grade copper concentrate. The 200 mesh slurry from the spiral classifier is pumped into a mixing tank for mixing the slurry with chemicals. Then the slurry mixed with chemicals goes into the flotation process. The flotation process is divided into roughing flotation, scavenging flotation, and cleaning flotation. The regular configuration for flotation copper sulfide ore is 1 stage of roughing flotation, 2 stages of scavenging flotation, and 2 stages of cleaning flotation. Here the flotation capacity is 240 tons per day, so the quantities of flotation cells are as follows. SF 2.8 flotation machine for 240 TPD, copper flotation process. One-time roughing flotation, 4 cells. First scavenging flotation, 4 cells. Second scavenging flotation, 4 cells. First cleaning flotation, 2 cells. Second cleaning flotation, 2 cells. Total 16 flotation cells for the complete flotation system. 1. Concentrate filtering and dewatering system. The concentrate filtering system consists of a thickener and disc vacuum filter. The function of the filtering system is to remove mostly water from the concentrate to get kindly dry concentrate. The concentrate gained from the flotation system is pumped to the thickener for adjusting slurry density around 40 to 45%. The overflow of the thickener is clear water which goes to a clear water pool. This water can be reused in the plant, and the underflow of the thickener goes into disc vacuum filter machine for dewatering concentrate. 1. Tailing filtering and dewatering system. The tailing filtering system contains a tailing thickener, a plate press filter machine, and a high-pressure feeding pump. The function of this filtering system is to dewater tailing and make dry tailing so that the tailing can be discharged directly on the ground. The flotation tailing is pumped to the thickener to adjust tailing slurry density by 40 to 50%. The overflow of the thickener is clear water which goes to a clear water pool. The water can be reused in this plant, and the underflow of the thickener is sent to the plate filter press machine by high-pressure feeding pump for filtering tailing and get dry tailing. If customers don't want to buy tailing filtering equipment, the tailing can be pumped to the tailing dam. The chemicals used for copper flotation are not harmful. One can add a little lime to the tailing and then pump it to the tailing dam. The function of the lime is to allow the suspended solids and chemicals in the tailing to sediment. This way, the tailing is not harmful to the environment.